You want to remove background of your photo really quick and easy, totally free. I'll show you in this video step by step. If you have not subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you do not miss any video from my channel. Now let's start. First you have to open Google Chrome and you need to search for Capcut. We are going to use Capcut to remove a background of any photo, but you cannot do in a Capcut application on PC. You have to have a Capcut web. So basically we are going to open Google Chrome and search for Capcut. You open it, you see this page at the first place. Then we're going to click on the magic tool. Simply we click here. There's a lot of options. You can use all totally free, but we are going to use here remove background. Just simply click on remove background. Another window will pop up, which one we are going to edit our photo or video. Here just only you have to upload your photo. It will remove background automatically. Just click upload, navigate to your photo. You are going to remove background. I'm going to use this one. Open. That's all you have to do. Just upload photo. It will do automatically remove background. If you're happy, you can do. If not, you can redo again. But in this case, the background was really like multi-colors and still removed, and we have removed our background. From here, you have other options. You can see before and after. Just click here. You see it was like that before. After this one. Now, if you like, you can just export your image, save into your PC, whatever you need to use, and then you can edit further the way you need. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.